So, has your WhatsApp account been hacked before? Is your Facebook secured? Do you have two-step verification, authentication on your social media accounts? Is your TikTok and your Twitter and the LinkedIn and all the Instagram platforms well secured? Do you feel uncomfortable whenever you are doing a transaction online whilst you are buying product or even rendering services? How well are you when it comes to your mobile gadgets, your laptop, your MacBook, your iPhones? Do you have all it takes to operate all these expensive gadgets that you have in your possession? Dannycom has come to stay, and we have come to be giving you guidelines and then also step-by-step way of using all this, your gadgets and also your email securities, your mobile phone securities, your internet securities, your social media account, all the things that it takes to secure yourself whilst online. Please do us a favor by helping us grow this channel by clicking on the subscription button, and always come here for more educational videos that will help you